Hello, Coolers! Welcome back to another Camp Nou update. The transformation of this iconic stadium is becoming more impressive with every passing week. As Camp Nou continues its journey toward becoming one of the most spectacular football venues in the world. Today, major progress can be seen across the compression ring, diamond structures, and several key construction zones that are rapidly taking shape. Some of the latest developments could have a significant impact on the next phase of construction. Stay with us as we take a closer look at all the newest updates from Spotify Camp Nou. The compression ring remains one of the busiest areas of the project. A steel box segment lifted yesterday has already been fully connected to the radial beam, with all bolts now secured. Another box segment has also been installed, leaving only one piece needed to complete this section. With this latest progress, crews are approaching the halfway point of the compression ring on the Gol Sud side. Additional lifting operations continued throughout the day, highlighting the impressive pace of work on the ring structure. Work continues across the upper sections of the stadium, where multiple crews and lifting platforms remain active. Construction teams were operating across the first and second cantilever levels, carrying out installation and finishing works. Concrete pumping equipment was also visible, indicating ongoing structural activity. Meanwhile, sandwich panel installation continues to expand, with more sections now covered and beginning to reflect the stadium's final appearance. Progress is also continuing on the future facade system. Although no new ceramic Lamas have been installed in some piston areas, crews continue preparing support structures and aligning anchoring systems for future installation. Workers were also completing finishing work on several supports, while additional Lamas remain stored on site and ready for placement. One of today's notable developments is the arrival of additional escalators in the corner section of the stadium. 2 escalators are now visible, marking another important step in the development of the stadium's internal circulation system. This area remains one of the most advanced sections of the project. Nearby, crews continued organizing anchoring components and preparing materials for future facade work. The most advanced diamond structures continue progressing rapidly. Large portions of the concrete walls have been completed, while reinforcement work continues for new walls and structural elements. Several pillar reinforcements are already in place, with only a few remaining. Construction crews were also preparing new formwork sections, making the overall structure increasingly recognizable. A new box segment has been prepared and attached to the crane, ready for installation. It has now been lifted toward the compression ring, where it will be connected to the radial beam to continue expanding the structure. Meanwhile, significant progress is also visible in the false ceiling area, where another Lama panel has just been installed. This section is now quite advanced, with only a few panels remaining, suggesting it could be completed soon. At the same time, crews are preparing for upcoming sandwich panel installation, with several support elements already in place across the structure. Shortly after, the crane began positioning the new box segment, marking another steady step forward in the compression ring development. Now moving into the lateral area, where active work continues across the ground with heavy machinery generating a lot of dust during ongoing preparation works. Nearby, the diamond structure also shows clear progress, with reinforced walls being prepared for new formwork and additional structural work underway. At the front, several anchoring points are already installed, while a few sections are still in progress. Above, sandwich panels are already covering parts of the structure, giving a clearer view of the stadium's developing form. Concrete works are also active again in the upper sections, adding steady progress to this part of the site. Directly in front of us, we are now looking at another diamond structure where significant progress is clearly visible. Several pillars have already been formed and reinforced, while additional sections are still under preparation. Across the structure, multiple columns using the chrome tube system are now in place, with more units ready to be installed in the coming phases. On the construction floor, several areas appear ready for concreting, and the concrete pump is already positioned in the background, suggesting operations could begin soon. Overall, this diamond is entering a very active phase, with reinforcement, formwork, and material preparation all progressing simultaneously across the site. Today's update once again highlights the strong pace of construction across Spotify Camp Nou. The compression ring continues expanding, Lama support systems are spreading across multiple sectors, and the diamond structures are entering more advanced stages of development. With ongoing concrete work and continuous facade preparation, visible progress can now be seen throughout the stadium. Every week, Spotify Camp Nou moves one step closer to becoming a spectacular modern football venue.